Understanding sales promotion. A guide for English learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a key concept in business and marketing, sales promotion. This term is vital for anyone interested in the world of commerce, marketing, or simply understanding how businesses attract customers. Let's dive into what it means and how it's used in everyday business scenarios. Sales promotion refers to various marketing strategies used by companies to increase sales and encourage customers to buy their products or services. It's a part of the broader marketing strategy that includes advertising, personal selling, and public relations. Sales promotions are typically short-term and designed to create a sense of urgency among customers. There are many different types of sales promotions. Some common ones include 1. Discounts, reducing the price of products for a limited time. 2. Coupons, offering vouchers that customers can redeem for a discount on their next purchase. 3. Buy one get one free, BOGOF, encouraging customers to buy more by offering additional items for free. 4. Loyalty programs, rewarding regular customers with points, discounts, or gifts. 5. Contests and sweepstakes, engaging customers with games or competitions with the chance to win prizes. Sales promotions serve several purposes. Increase short-term sales. By offering deals, businesses can boost their sales volume. Clear out inventory. Promotions can help sell old or excess stock. Attract new customers. Special offers can lure in customers who haven't tried the product before. Reward loyal customers. Loyalty programs keep existing customers engaged and satisfied. Effective sales promotions are clearly communicated. Customers should easily understand the offer. Time-bound. Limited time offers create urgency. Relevant to the customer. The promotion should appeal to the target audience. Measurable. Companies should be able to track the promotion's impact on sales. That's all on sales promotion. I hope this video has helped you understand how businesses use different strategies to encourage sales and attract customers. Remember, sales promotion is a powerful tool in the world of marketing, but it's most effective when used wisely. See you in the next video.